Hello guys. Today we will continue the series What would I do if I were a complete beginner? So today we will talk about the the attack cards. So the attack cards has different types too. There is bombardment, homing, directional, and deploy. So what is bombardment? These are the attack cards that are guaranteed to hit and doesn't travel. It came from the above of your enemy. Homing, however, is also a direct hit, but it will travel across the map in order to reach your opponent. As for the deploy, there are two types of deploy. One that deploys ahead of your opponent, and one that is gonna get deployed behind you. And then the other one, the last one, would be the directional. As the name suggests, directional attack only goes in one lane, so using it would be too risky. So some of the professional doesn't really use directional attacks because the risk is just not worth it. So that's all. Thank you.